How to reject a narcissist's hoover. Rejecting a narcissist's hoover can be challenging, as they often employ manipulative tactics to draw you back into the relationship. However, it is essential to protect yourself and maintain your boundaries. Here are some strategies to consider. One, no contact. The most effective way to deal with a narcissist's hoover is to implement strict no contact. This means cutting off all communication, including phone calls, texts, emails, and social media. This can be difficult, especially if you still have feelings for the narcissist, but it is necessary to prevent further manipulation and emotional turmoil. 2, set boundaries. Clearly define your boundaries and communicate them firmly.